Packing my bags that I didn't unpack the last time. I'm saying see you again so many times, it's becoming my tagline. But you know the truth, I'd rather hold you than try to cast a spell. There's so many things I'd rather say, but for now it's goodbye. You say I'll always leave it. You, when you sleeping alone, but I got so tired that I do wanna go tonight. I'm not getting in the other Sunday unless you fuck your bags. You're coming with me.